And I have that memory of my grandfather sitting on a big white pillow, and there used to be a serpentine line of people waiting to show their pulse to him. And then he used to check with his 3 fingers, and then whatever he used to say, they used to say yes, yes, yes. I just remember that, like, for example, he must be saying that you have lots of air and space imbalance, and you will get gas or arthritis or bloating. You may have all these symptoms, so try to avoid raw vegetables, raw salad, heavy foods, heavy beans, and have more warm, cooked and liquid foods. And as that time was like a barter system, so they used to give him grains and milk and jaggery and all those things in place of pulse reading. So I had that image of him in my mind, and I had decided to be something like that, do something like that, where people are getting surprised by. So I was good in studies, luckily, and I got admission into medical, and then I could study Western as well as Ayurveda for 8.5 years. Then I got admission into MD medicine, and I did my thesis in diabetes. I did my research into a plant called Gudmar. The name suggests Gudmar. Gud means to sweet, and mar means to kill. So the effect of that plant starts from the tongue. As soon as you put it on your tongue, it starts giving you results. So after eating that plant, if you eat sugar, you will feel you are eating mud. It won't taste anything. It starts from your tongue, from the taste bud. Wow. So I did the research into that plant and did my thesis, and it gave very good results. Like within 3 months, the sugar level from 250 it came down to 200 postparental, and fasting from 150 it came down to 90. And the symptomatically patients or the people, they got around 90% results, like frequent urination, then appetite, everything starts to come down slowly. And the Western medications, the doses started to reduce slowly. So after studying MD, I started my practice. And then initially I was doing Western medication because I am a doctor from India in Western as well as Ayurveda both. So initially I was not very satisfied with the results because I used to give, injections and painkillers and antibiotics because people want quick fix. But then into my heart, I was not very happy because what I learned from my gurus, like pulse reading and all, my grandfather was a great pulse reader. My guru, the dean of our medical college, his name was Madhav Sane. He is not anymore. But I had a great opportunity to learn from him. He used to invite me in his OPD. I was his most favorite student, one of the most favorite students. So he used to make me sit near him, and then he used to teach me the pulse reading. You won't believe, he used to check the pulse of a person and he used to draw a diagram on a paper. And he used to say, your heart's this, arteries, this branches, this many % block. You go and do angiography and see. And then in next visit, they used to bring the angiography report, and we as a student used to compare, and used to be the same. That deep pulse reading Ayurveda has in his books. In the books of Ayurveda, you can learn real pulse reading, 5,000 years old science, So I believe if you practice properly, like, you should be persistent, you should have faith, you should be regular in the diet, lifestyle, home remedies and herbal remedies, you will definitely get out of the, chronic illnesses also. Most difficult problems also. I have seen in 26 years of my practice so many miraculous results. For example, I'll just share a result from my family, my mother, my own mother. When I was studying into Ayurveda, I was studying, and my mother must be around the menopausal age, and she got the menopause. As soon as she got menopause, she started to get arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, then high blood pressure, her heart was enlarged, anxiety, depression, nervousness, sleeplessness. She was so bad, she was literally like bedridden for 6 years. Throughout my study, she was like very bad condition, and I used to feel so sad looking at her. And then I used to take her to so many doctors, and then they said we cannot do anything. After the knee replacement, we don't have anything. We have given all the painkillers and everything. She was literally bedridden. So after I studied Ayurveda and everything, I decided to give her Ayurvedic treatment. She was so obese, her hands were like this because of taking steroids and painkillers and all. Initially, I kept her on moong diet. I gave her only moong to eat. Moong water, moong dal, moong soup, moong chilla, all these things. She was only on moong diet for around 2 to 3 months. She lost around 45 to 50 pounds. Half of her pain gone. She started to get up from the bed. She started to walk in the house, and she started to go in the kitchen and cook little bit. Then she took regular all the Ayurvedic supplements, followed proper diet, avoid raw vegetable, raw salad, and started to have more warm, liquid, soupy foods. Then I gave her Panchakarma treatment, oil massages and steam and everything. She was literally like 90% better. And then today, her age is 78 years. Last year she came to Boston to stay with us for 6 months in extreme weather of cold. And she was really very happy being in America, you know. Her heart is normal. The heart which was enlarged came down to the normal shape. Her blood pressure is normal. And her pain is almost gone at this age, which she was suffering at the age of 55. Now she is much better.